What's the meaning of camshaft? Camshaft. Camshaft.
Camshaft. Camshaft. A camshaft is a component used in internal combustion engines to control the opening and closing of the engine's valves. It consists of a metal shaft with one or more egg-shaped cams that press against pushrods, which then activate rocker arms to open and close the valves. As the camshaft rotates, its lobes force the pushrods up and down, causing the valves to open and close in sync with the movement of the pistons. This allows the engine to function properly by allowing air and fuel to enter and exhaust gases to exit at the correct times.